Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristin Hildabrand, the Warren County Extension Agent for Horticulture, and today we are making a scrumptious strawberry salad. It's the new plated up Kentucky Proud recipe, and it really features the true essence of spring in my opinion. It's got nice lettuce greens that are perfect and crisp tasting, really fresh, and also my favorite part is the strawberry. It's so bursting with a lot of vitamin C. So let's get started on how to make this scrumptious strawberry salad. So for the base of this salad, we have in our salad bowl here, we have 5 cups of spinach, and we also have 1 cup of curly romaine lettuce. And so whenever I was preparing this, it was just so crisp whenever I broke it, because I like my lettuce greens to be a little bit chopped. So feel free to go ahead and wash your greens first, and then make sure you get the undersides, and then we ran it through a salad spinner. So make sure you got the 5 cups of spinach and then the cup of curly romaine. So to this salad greens, we've got our strawberries, and we picked these up locally from Bluegrass Blueberries, and they're located right there in Oakland, right on Porter Pike, and we just went and picked these up straight from the farm and cut these up. You can slice them, that's what the recipe calls for, but you can also have them if you want to. And of course, we made sure to wash our berries first. Now to this, you're also going to add a cup of halved green grapes. The recipe does call for some red grapes, but this is just some things I had on hand. Next, we're going to add a cup of some golden raisins. We're just going to add that on top there. And they do get a little sticky after a while, so you can just feel free to run that through there. Okay, and we have here a half of a red onion, and we've gone ahead and sliced that. If you don't like onion, you don't have to put this, but I think it's going to be so pretty, and you can break up the slices a little bit more, but that's going to be really pretty color contrast. Now we've got a half a cup of toasted and chopped pecans. And if you don't like or have pecans on hand, feel free to add in, maybe some walnuts or whatever else that you have. Now we're going to make our dressing. So for the dressing, this is going to be very creamy, and it's going to be perfect contrast with our strawberry salad. So what we've done is we've taken a glass jar, and in the glass jar we have some non-fat Greek yogurt, about 3/4 cup. To that, we're going to take 6 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. We'll add that right on top. We've got some local honey here, and we got 3 tablespoons. That'll be the perfect sweetness. I always love buying local honey from the actual beekeepers, because, there is some truth, I think, to having those that actually helps with our allergies. To this, we've got a half a teaspoon of some Dijon mustard. And I know it kind of sounds a little weird with that, but it was going to really complement with everything, especially with that sweetness from the honey we just added. Okay, we've got 3 tablespoons of some olive oil. Add that on top. To give you a little bit of little contrast, we've got some poppy seeds here. You'll just need about a tablespoon. Add that in. And then lastly, we've got a teaspoon of some salt and a half a teaspoon of pepper. So we're just going to add that. Okay, here comes the fun part. If you have kids at home, you can have them actually shake the jar of dressing, and it will make it so much fun. So we're just going to actually toss this, give it a nice toss. And I'm going to bring this salad back over. So shake it up. Okay, I feel like that's pretty nicely incorporated. So we're just going to add this right on top. It smells really good. I'm going to use all this dressing because we actually added a little bit more greens to our ingredients. Okay, so if you would like a copy of our scrumptious strawberry salad, make sure you contact your local extension office and say if you would like some more information about local flower or farmers in the area that have strawberries. Give your local extension office a call too. Thanks for watching the Farm and Home Show, and we hope you have a great day.